Hi all, let's see iframes in HTML. An iframe, that is inline frame in HTML, used to embed another HTML page or website within your current document. That is, it can display external web pages or videos, maps or other contents. Let's see practically. Here in our index.html file, let's create an iframe. For creating iframe, we have to use iframe element. Before adding a file or URL, let's check it in browser. See the frame created here. Inside this frame, we can show any external file or URL or videos or images or any other content. Now let's add. We have to specify external file name or URL which we are going to show inside iframe in src attribute. Let's specify src. Now let's provide external file name first. Here in our file path, created one test iframe file, sample HTML file only. Let's check it in browser first. Let's provide this file inside our iframe. Let's copy and paste this file name. Then we can provide width and height also. For iframe, let's provide a width as 500, then height as 275. Iframe, consider this width and height value as in pixels. Then title attribute. Title attribute for screen readers. Now let's check it in browser. See, iframe created. Inside iframe, our file embedded successfully. Now let's provide external URL. Inside this src, we have to add external URL. Here I am adding YouTube URL. You can add any website URL which you want. Let's change title. Let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, now let's see target for a link. That means iframe can be used as a target frame for a link. That means anchor tag. Let's see practically. Let's create an anchor tag. Inside href, let's add this URL. Then by using target attribute, we have to specify name of the iframe. Let's add name attribute, name my iframe. Let's add this inside this target. So when I click on the link, this URL will show inside iframe. Now let's remove this. For understanding, let's add the test iframe. When I click on it, this link will show inside iframe because in target attribute the reference is iframe name. Let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, inside of iframe we are showing external file. When I click on it, our YouTube link will be show inside iframe. Let's click. See, so we can also use iframe as target frame in anchor tag. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.